Hi, it's Bart from recpro.com. This movie is one of our videos about deploying trial environment for IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management Solutions. This part is about installing software. Hope you will enjoy it. After you have installed IBM Installation Manager and all the recommended utilities that can help you during the installation and configuration process, you should start with downloading IBM Lifecycle Collaboration Management Suite binaries from IBM.net website. So you should go to your web browser and you should go to the jest.net, and when you will reach the website, of course, you should log on using your jest.net username and password, and then you should go to the download section. And here under products or solutions, you can select a product which you want to install. It doesn't matter for IBM Team Concert, DOORS Next Generation Quality Manager, which one you will select, because there is one repository with all the files. So it doesn't matter which product you will click, it will download the same files. But after you will install during the installation process, you will have a menu where you will be able to select which exactly product you want to install. If you want to install IBM Rhapsody Model Manager, Design Manager, or other products, then you should go to those products because installers are different. In our case, we will install IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management Suite, so it will be Team Concert, DOORS Next Generation, and Quality Manager all together. So we will just open one of the files. We'll select the latest version. So right now you will see that it is one in green, so it is 606. So we'll click that. And you will see a featured download screen where you can install the interactive web installer, which is quite small. But usually I do not use that because not all environments where I install software have access to the internet. So I usually go to the all downloads section. And here, if you will scroll down, you will find a section which is called IBM Installation Manager Repositories. And at the top of the list, you will find Jest Team Server, CM, QM, RM, Realm, and JRS applications. So you should click this one. Agree for terms of license, and you should click download. It can take a couple of minutes because this is almost 3 gigabytes archive. So I will just click cancel because we have this file already installed, downloaded on our hard drive. So after you will finish, you will have this file on your hard drive. So you should unpack this file using 7-zip, which we of course installed in one of our previous videos. You shouldn't use Windows unpacking tool, so I strongly recommend using 7-zip if you want to avoid problems later. And after this archive was unpacked, you should open Installation Manager, which was installed in one of our previous videos. And after Installation Manager is open, you should go to Files, Preferences, Add Repository, and you should point Installation Manager to the folder where you have unpacked the IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management Suite files. So I will just copy this path, close this directory, click Open. You see that there is a repository config file. You can click OK, Apply, and click OK. So after we will do that, we can just click Install, and we can start installing the whole application. So right now on this screen, you see which applications you are able to install. As we want to install all the applications, we will just select all of them. And as if we are installing demo environment, trial environment, we will just select to include trial keys as well. So we will just click next after that. And after it will process all the informations, you will see license terms, so you can just accept them. You will see the directory where IBM shared folder will be installed, will be created. So I strongly recommend to have it under CIBM or other folder with the short path which you can use to access the files. Later you will get the same question regarding the IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management binaries, so I will make it CIBM as well. And here also you get question if you want to have 32-bit infrastructure architecture or 64-bit. So for the performance reasons, we will select 64. It makes more sense. Later you are being asked about languages which you can use. So the default is English and it is always installed. But of course, if you are using Hungarian, German, Spanish, or other languages, you can select them as well. But as our video is in English, we will keep English as the default as a default choice. Later, of course, you will get confirmation what applications will be installed. So you can make some changes. You can install, of course, some technical previews, but we will keep those settings as default because during our videos, during our sessions, we'll mainly focus on the most fundamental functionalities and features. So we will keep all those options as they are. So after you will review this screen, you can just click next. You will be asked if you want to install the default application server, which is IBM WebSphere Liberty profile. So you can just keep this option, but if you want to install the software on, for example, WebSphere application server full profile, the full VAS, the full WS, you can just unselect this option. Later you are being asked which applications will be available under which context. So usually you don't change that, but if you want to have other, let me say, if you want to use other contexts than default ones, of course you can change it right here. I will keep those options as they are. Later we are being asked if we want to use just security architecture SSO. We will keep this option disabled for our trial environment purposes. And we reach the last screen where we just click install to start the installation process. The whole installation process can take up to a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, we can just close this window by clicking finish, but if we do not want to open a help or documentation, we just select none and click finish. In the next step, you should configure before executing and starting the IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management Suite. So watch our next videos regarding the configuration before you will start using the product itself. Thanks for watching this video. If you are more interested in services, trainings, or custom workshops, please visit our website recpro.com. Thanks for watching.